All right. Looks like we are live. Thanks for the nation, Ben. Prim. What you doing? Gonna come sit with me? Hmm?
Been streaming?
6 hour. Huh?
You've been streaming?
No. Started an hour ago. Yeah, if he's still in Montreal, he's a 6 hour drive away. What are all these damn dogs doing here? Oh my god. What is this? Want to show me your bone? You want to show everybody your bone? Come here. Show me your bone. Hey, show me. Give me this. Oh my god, you guys see? You guys see this? You silly dogs. My.
I'm retiring a bit.
My. Yeah. It's a good dog.
Wow, you getting cuddles, Mike?
Get you.
Yeah.
What the hell's going on here?
You're so wiggly.
Yeah, the way she wiggles.
Yeah.
You're a big fuzzy guy. Hmm? You're big fuzzy.
I'll be right back 1 sec.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, fucking shit.
She has stated that she weighs 85 kilograms.
It's pretty heavy. Oh my god. Parrots are fucking hilarious. That's amazing. Wow, those are some good burbs. Look at them. Oh my god, they're so silly. Wow. I don't think I could ever get tired of that. Gas has omega-3 DHA, and it's probably just a marketing thing. Okay. Well, we know this guy. Cats are not only as good as dogs. In many cases, they are better. As you can see, this cat is very nice and cuddly. He's very sweet. They also purr when you rub them. Dogs don't do that. They also meow. And their meows aren't loud. They don't really wake you up at night. That is true. Meows are nice and pleasant to listen to. They also know how to shit in a litter box, so you don't have to take them out and pick up their poop. They can even go in the toilet. It's also fun to play with cats. You can get a string and fling it around. It's also nice to have a kitty just jump on your lap and take a nap. So that's not true. And this cat is special because he's a vegan kitty. You're a really sweet kitty, and I love him. Mwah. I'm actually kind of surprised Destiny lets me on stream as often as he does when usually doesn't go well for him. That time especially. Ugh. Swimming's not good for building up bone density. It's not weight bearing. So
Hi VG.
I'm feeling a lot of different ways right now, KP, and I'm not sure if any of them are good.
I'm right there with you, buddy.
Oh!
Okay, Ryan, do you speak any languages?
I speak Afghan.
Oh, really? Okay, so could you say something to me in Afghan and I have to guess what you're saying?
Can we watch and react to these gay-ass ninja simp videos?
Sure, just give me a second, P. Thanks for the donation.
Yes. Okay, go. What did you say? I said you were looking good today.
Gross. Ugh. Fucking red pill content. FDA approves cultured meat, so why do vegans oppose it?
What's going on, everybody? Vince Goodrum here. That it was a real alternative to farm raised beef. Now, granted, the texture was not good at the time as it should have been, but they've made is that you can customize the hunting. You know, over about 120 years ago, the way we got food, Vegan Gaines knows about it. I told him about his debate. He hates it. You know,
I never said I hated cultured meat.
Vegan Booty doesn't
I just said I personally wouldn't eat it.
like it. Joey Carbstrong doesn't like it. Why? You know, and here's the reason being there. You see, all of their stuff that they talk about is just bullshit. You know, they're not invested and they don't give a rat's ass about the animals. All
Yeah, I support cultured meat. What is he talking about? The only thing I said was I wasn't personally interested in eating it myself. Like I ate meat before, like before I was vegan, and like I am perfectly happy with the mock meats I eat right now. I think they taste better than actual meat. So why would I go back to eating like cultured meat when I prefer like the vegan mock meats that exist now? This is a cat. Oh, you're so fuzzy, Prismo. I love you. So soft.
they
Was dating a 34-year-old guy with a 15-year-old daughter before she met Sverige. Oh, so weird. I ate a ton of cherries and I am farting like crazy. A dog and the cat jumped out and protected the kid. It's a nice kitty. Not very high. And even if you try to do something like crazy amounts of exercise where you're trying to burn something like 30 or 40% of your energy expenditure from exercise. Give me a second, a fart's gonna come out. Can feel it coming. Damn it. I have a shy fart. Come on. Oh, damn it. Can't get it out. All right, we'll just have to let the fart come out naturally.